If I took your phone away for 24 hours, most people would not know what to do. That is not normal. That is addiction. But here is the good news. You can rewire your brain. Right now, your brain is trained for one thing. Quick dopamine. Scroll. Swipe. Repeat. That is why focus feels hard. That is why you can't sit still. So here is the fix. Replace your phone with these 13 simple hobbies. 1. Reading fiction. Trains your mind to understand people and emotions. 2. Journaling. Clears your thoughts and reduces overthinking. 3. Walking without your phone. This is where your best ideas come from. 4. Learning a new language. Forces your brain to think differently. 5. Playing an instrument. Builds focus, memory, and creativity together. 6. Drawing or sketching. Trains you to notice details others miss. 7. Meditación. Teaches you control over your thoughts. 8. Cooking from scratch. Builds patience and keeps you present. 9. Strategy games. Improves planning and decision making. 10. Writing. Turns messy thoughts into clear ideas. 11. Exercise. Boosts energy, focus, and mental strength. 12. Learning a skill online. Replaces passive scrolling with growth. 13. Doing nothing. Yes, just sitting in silence. That is where your brain resets. Here's the truth. You do not need more motivation. You need less distraction. Pick just one and do it for 10 minutes a day. That is how you take control back.